friends, welcome to the new episode of Travel Stays. So today I am going to explain you about the new app launched by Government of India called Aarogya Setu. So Aarogya Setu is a coronavirus COVID-19 tracking app. So I want to explain you about how it works and how well it will help us on our COVID-19 fight. So this app when you download, they'll ask you for accepting the data and also the Bluetooth and GPS to be active while you are using this app. So how does this app work? So if there are three people, X, Y and Z, who don't know each other, is traveling in a bus or a train, and if they are in close contact or nearby, so later if these people, one of the person called Y have got a positive case of coronavirus, so the data which is acquired by the Government of India will be used to track the places wherever this particular person have gone. So because of the Bluetooth device which you are using, the close network where this person have traveled, the close network, the data will be taking the close by network using the Bluetooth and the area network using the GPS system. So once this person got through this positive case, a message or notification will be going to each and every people who was very close to him or who was traveling with him, who was in that particular area. So this particular disease is a pandemic and it is spreading everywhere. So this particular app will help us to understand where we are, how safe we are by activating the GPS system. So this is a very small app that it won't take much memory of your phone. It is just 2.9 and already 10 lakhs plus people have downloaded this particular app. We will go to this app. I will explain you in detail how this app works and how important it is at this point of time.
So we have to install the app from the Play Store. So I have opened Play Store now. So you can see Aarogya Setu there. So I've opened the Aarogya Setu. I'm clicking on Aarogya Setu and clicking on the install button. So it is getting installed now. It is scanning for the device and it is getting installed. So it got installed to my mobile now. So you can see the app right there on my mobile. I'm clicking on my mobile and I can see the languages. I can select the languages. So I'm selecting English here and I'm giving agree to it. So once I give next, each one of us has the power to help prevent the spread of coronavirus pandemic in India. Would you like to be kept informed? You crossed the paths with someone who have tested COVID-19. So let us swipe. Aarogya Setu tracks through the Bluetooth and location generated social graph. So as I suggested, your Bluetooth and the GPS has to be on all the time for this to work out effectively. So you are giving the details. You will be alerted if someone you have come close proximity, even unknowingly, test COVID-19 positive. App alerts are accompanied by instruction on how self-isolate and what to do in case develop symptoms that may need help and support. So it has got self-assessment and also the social graph. So as you can easily see the map here, which indicates the green lights. So people online around you. So if you are traveling on a bus, train or anywhere you are going, the people who have also connected with you can easily find out the route map, and this data will be updated in the central government data center. So they can easily access the route map of a positive person of COVID-19, and the people who were close to them will be notified by them. So let's register this now. So they are asking for the permission for device location, Bluetooth and data sharing. So I am giving I agree. So you have to allow it. So they are asking for my mobile number. So I am giving my mobile number here. So I'll get an OTP right away. I got an OTP already. So once I get an OTP, a message will come like this. So be prepared but don't be panicked. So they are explaining on your infection risk is low. There are help centers around. So COVID-19 help center is here. So you have in all the states, you can see the help centers which is available around. So you are safe. So self-assessment test. So how you can test yourself for the symptoms. So I'm giving male, your age, next. So you have any symptoms? None of the above. Have you ever had any of the following? None of the above. Have you traveled anywhere internationally in the last 14 days? No. Which of the following applies to you? I have recently interacted or lived with someone who have tested positive for COVID-19. I am healthcare worker. Examined a COVID-19 confirmed case without protective gear. None of the above. So they are telling your infection risk is low. We recommend that you have to stay at home, avoid any chance of exposure for novel coronavirus. Retake the self-assessment test if you develop symptoms. So if you are developing any other symptoms, you can update in this. So they will update in the data center. So this is how it works, and they are explaining here the do's and don'ts. Virus, what are the things you have to do? So practice frequent hand wash, cover your hand sanitizer you have to use, call helpline, keep social distancing, see the doctor if required, and don'ts are close contact with anyone. Apart from this, so we all know that there are so many fake news coming every day, right, on our mobile. So they have given in the app itself the multiple news which is being released from the government of India itself, the Ministry of Health. So you can go through all this. So there are so many health tips every day, whatever updates we are getting from the Ministry of Health, everything is being updated in this app. So if you have liked the video, please subscribe my channel, like all the videos. Thanks for watching.